welcome back to my channel. It's Jeseniá. Long time no see. I already know. You don't even gotta tell me. I already know. So for today's video, I'm giving you this makeup look right here. It's like a no makeup look. This is the look I've been doing lately. Like, I don't like to wear full face makeup out in the sun because that should be melting off and that's not cute. During the summertime, I just want to stay away from the foundation. So yeah, so this is basically what I'll be doing. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Hopefully I don't look too crazy right now because I have a feeling that I do. Oh my god, it's been a long time no see, guys. Oh wait, I forgot something. Matter of fact, let me put my hair up because my shit look crazy. Alright, so after we're done with skincare, it's time to get on to moisturizing and prepping for the look. So I'm gonna take this Mario Badescu Alpha Grateful Cleansing Lotion, and like, I bought this for my mom like how many years ago? Probably like 2 or 3 years ago, and like she never used it. Like sometimes I'll be buying stuff for her and she don't be using it, and I'm like, that's great for me because I'm just gonna take it. Putting that like on a little cotton pad, this feels mad good, especially like if you keep it in the fridge. This shit, it feels nice. It's supposed to be like a toner. It's like a very moisturizing one, formulated with aloe, known to help soothe dry skin, and a mixture of lemon and grapefruit extracts to exfoliate. Ooh, exfoliation. Yo, if I sound kind of different or if I sound kind of weird, it's because I'm sick right now. Like, I don't know what type of shit I have. I don't even know what the fuck is wrong with me. It's like I'm not coughing. I am coughing, but like I'm not sneezing or anything, and I just feel dumb sick. Like, next after that, I'm gonna be moisturizing around my eyes. I'm using the Believe Moisture Eye Balm, and I'm almost done. I gotta go and buy this shit. Like, I gotta literally scrape up whatever I fucking can because I love it. Like, this shit is bomb. I can't fucking get anything out, so I gotta hurry up and buy it. When I don't like to wear makeup, or like if I'm going for a no makeup look, I like to focus on my eyes because I feel like I could look dead. Like, I could look like a zombie if I don't give my eyes some like pizzazz, or like, you know, if you're doing like a no makeup look, at least do something with your eyes, like mascara, some lashes. I feel like that would just make you look like a little bit more awake. This I've been using for like a very long time. I don't know why I stopped using it, but this is called the Maison Multifunction Formula Snail Recovery Gel Cream. If y'all could see it. Honestly, I just be calling this snail cum because it has 74% snail secretion in it, and like that sounds like snail cum, so on this snail cum. Also has hyaluronic acid in it, which is really good for repairing your skin and shit like that. So this shit me having my shit happen. I usually don't like putting on too much moisturizing things in the summertime because it could have me like looking very slick, like oily as shit. But today's not that bad, so I'm good. I should be good. My skin just feels so soft. Alright, and then I'm gonna let this sink into my skin a little bit. While I wait, I'm gonna go start doing my brows. Alright, where my mirror at? I'm so unorganized, I'm sorry. Yo, I feel like I'm missing something else, but I really don't know. So we're just gonna keep going. Y'all already know my brow technique. If not, I have a video on it, but I'm gonna do it again here. I'm gonna take some Pond's Dry Skin Cream, stick that in there. Yeah, I'm about to look mad crazy for like the next few minutes, so just be prepared. That's all I'm gonna say. Just be prepared. And of course I'm still forgetting shit. I'm so hungry. I want to get like some chicken and cheese taquitos, cause I was about to get some yesterday, but I forgot. And now my mind is still on it. Like, it's like, bitch, go get that shit. But I might get it, but I'm trying to save money. I be trying to budget and shit. So this is, I call this CARMEX and Clear Skin, but this is literally what I do for my makeup in the summertime. Like, when it's summertime, I don't like wearing full face, cause I feel like, one, my shits don't be matching. Like, I'm not good at matching foundation and stuff like that, and I'm too lazy to go and do that. So I still just be having a foundation that I wear year round, and like I'll be wearing it and that shit don't be matching, and I'll be mad tight when I reach outside because it's just not cute. I just stick to this. So this is basically my summer makeup routine. But I clean it up with my handy dandy Q-tip and some makeup remover. If you just put the mascara straight on your face, it's gonna be dry as shit. It's gonna be hard to blend out. So that's the reason why I use the lotion in the first place. For anyone who's wondering why I use the lotion first, like, the more you put on, the more slick your brows are gonna be, more chance that they might come off. Not like gradually come off like throughout the day, but I mean like if you touch them, it's gonna slip and slide. The lotion just moisturizes the mascara. That's the reason why I would understand why people would think it will come off. I feel like I put too much lotion, so I gotta be gentle with blending it out, because if I blend out too much, that whole shit gonna disappear like what it's basically doing right now. So I'm gonna go back in and fix that. Or I usually just use a Q-tip and like go over any wet looking areas to kind of dry it up. Also, another tip, if you feel like, if you're doing your brows this way and you feel like you've made them too thick, always try to make them thinner from the top. So like, use your brush to like shape your hairs from the top rather than cleaning up more from the bottom, because it's just gonna look weird as shit. Like, I'm not gonna demonstrate right now because I just got these to look kind of cute. After this, I'm basically done with the brows. I don't clean them up. I'm gonna take some shea butter, put this on my skin. I love shea butter so much because like my skin can be moisturized all day, but I just hope it's not too hot because I'm not trying to be looking like slick as fuck. Just want to make sure I get it on my eyelids, because around my eyes is dry almost all the time. That's why my dark circles are always so crazy. And I'm about to start putting makeup around my eyes and stuff like that, so I just want to make sure they look very well moisturized. Alright, so the lashes I'm about to put on while this sinks into my skin. I got these lashes off of AliExpress. These are the D102s. I'm taking the Milk Makeup Flexing Concealer, and this is in the color Tan. I just like to conceal my dark circle. Just like to cover up anything that I feel like needs covering up. I usually don't cover any blemishes. I like any little spots that I have, I just let them do their thing. Like, I don't really care to cover it. If you want to, you can, but I just don't care to. I'm gonna be going into my Laura Mercier medium dark powder. This shit is almost done too. I have not bought a lot of things in so long. I haven't bought new makeup in so long. I haven't bought new clothes in so long. I'm trying to say that money, you know what I'm trying. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this powder and just put it under here. Not too much, and I'm not baking because that would just look weird. So I'm just gonna lightly set what I did. I'm gonna take like a nude pencil to kind of open my eyes up a little bit. Ooh, bitch. I see you looking all glowy and shit. Alright. Guys, I'm taking this Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes Defining and Lengthening Mascara. I like this mascara for my bottom lashes because it has like this little, it has like a little spiky tip. Oh my god, I always, yo. It's like, this mascara never wants me to be great. And y'all know I have to have my beauty marks. Like, I have to have my beauty marks even with no makeup. So I'm gonna go into my eyeliner and I'm taking a bobby pin. I feel like I'm dying. I usually don't use a highlighter, but I'm just gonna put a little bit. Just gonna like lightly run my brush over and just pat it on my skin so it's not like too much. Danny EP, the producer. Last but not least, y'all already know I have the CARMEX prepper. Like, I feel like every girl needs CARMEX. This is like when you don't want to wear lip gloss and like your lip balm is just not glossy enough. Let's put this shit on. Yes, bitch. Look at that shit popping. Like, I fucking love CARMEX. Like, this is my bitch. What are you talking about? But this is basically the look, guys. It's very effortless, it's very easy, you know. Look at that. Glowy, bitch, glowy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be linked down below. And I will see you guys next time.